this morning the sun is shining and I have come out to batch record. So that means that you're going to see lots of videos coming out with me wearing this top. The reason I'm not changing my top is because actually I want you to know that I batch record my videos, and the reason I do this is time. Who has the time to come and set up your camera? Who has the time to go and get your rig? Now in my case, I'm working with a really simple rig this morning. I'm working with a tripod, a smartphone, a light, a microphone, and that's it. I could have put the little mic on, I could have brought out the big camera, but actually I find that this is the simplest and easiest and quickest way to shoot a video. And the reason for it is you can be on the move. You don't actually need to have the light, the lighting or the microphone. You just need your smartphone, and you can point it at yourself, shoot a video at arm's length and post it. So think about batch recording your videos. Think about when you're out and about and what is right for you, your personal brand, your company brand, what you want to say. So long as your video links back to what you do, it doesn't have to be perfect. I have posted reels on Instagram of cakes that I've made for my daughter. Now I don't post pictures of my daughter. That is a choice that my husband and I made, that we do not want to put pictures of my daughter anywhere on any platforms. But I do post the activities that we do. Now that's not related to my business, but it is related to me as a human being. It is part of me as a business owner who's also a mum. So I bring that aspect in because it's safe, it's secure, I've set my boundaries. So think about batch recording, think about what you want to say, make sure it's on brand, and then just start doing. If you want to know more about how to create videos that will rock who you are, show who you are, be authentic, and you can post them on YouTube, TikTok, or onto Instagram, or any other actual social media platform, drop me a DM. If you're not sure where to get started, drop me a DM. Look at my YouTube videos. They are packed full of hints and tips to help you do what I'm doing. And no matter how old you are, it's never too old to start posting video content.